Hi, good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Esterina Ridor, 32 years old. I'm a widow. I have two kids. My daughter is 16 years old and my son is 12 years old. I am a high school graduate and I am a Catholic, Roman Catholic. I have experience in Macau for 4 years, two different employer. My first employer, I take care a newborn baby. I'll do cooking, cleaning, washing, car wash, and ironing, also marketing. The second employer, I take care of two kids, two boys, 6 years old and 8 years old. I'll do also cooking, cleaning, marketing, car wash, ironing, pick and send the kids in the school. I also play with them, teach the homework, and also I sing with them and play with them. I have also experience in Hong Kong for 2 years. I take care also a newborn baby, cleaning, marketing, cooking, car wash, ironing clothes, and also I know how to cook a Chinese food. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I hope you choose me and I see you soon, a part of your family. Good day.